vanaand te speel vrouens. Ons riep op. Carla, as jy reg. Nou mag toe. Carla, wat is jou gunsteling titelweekie? En dink ook ons so dit, né?
My gunsteling dier is 'n hond, want dit is baie sag en dit is baie lekker dinge om weer 'n hondjie te speel.
Mag jou of die bed slaap?
Nee,
Ai, maar hier in 'n kappie nie. Okay. Ons sal hom in 'n bed. Kom, toe. Binne nou.
Step by step, we take the stage, sparkling bright at every age. Young and bold, we walk as one, hearts wide open, shining strong. Walk and shine, it's our parade. In every look, a dream is made. With every spin, we show our pride. Together now, we rise and glide. Strut and smile, we're dressed to slay, each in our own special way. From little stars to teens who lead, with a style, the joy to speed. Walk and shine, it's our parade. In every look, a dream is made. With every spin, we show our pride. Together now, we rise and glide. Final glide, final glide, final glide, final glide. Walk and shine, the lights are ours. We're golden flames, we're shooting stars. Side by side, we own the night. Fashion fierce and future bright. Dream is made with every spin. We show our pride. Together now, we rise and glide.
Carla ontvang 'n Exceptional Charity Award en sy stap weg as die Little Miss Upington wenner. Probeer maar net aan. Jy kan maar by my kom staan. Groot glimlag vir oom Brandon, hierdie inkom staan hier by my.